Hi, I'm Marie and I want to introduce you to my new Peony Bud tutorial. In this tutorial, I use the wet into wet method of watercolour painting that allows me to make very smooth transitions between colours and tonal variations. It shows you how I use certain techniques to build up texture on my damp surfaces without losing control of my paint or the colours becoming too muddied. If you'd like to paint the full tutorial, it's 2.5 hours long, and you can click the link below to have a look at this tutorial and many more inside the Watercolor Membership Club. I hope this quick video helps to give you an idea on how I create the mottled textured surfaces in my paintings, and how it also creates a feeling of depth. And maybe you can use these techniques as a new trick in your own painting toolbox. So the idea here is not to have your paper or paint too wet or too dry, so it's all about finding that perfect balance between the two. After practicing in this way for a while, this method really does become quite intuitive, and it really is a lot of fun painting this way. So I hope this can help you with your own practice, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to be kept up to date with my upcoming tips and technique videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Goodbye for now.